Meaning of guy.
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 Guy. Guy can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to a male person or a generic term for a person, regardless of their gender. The term can also be used in an informal way to address someone whose name you do not know or cannot remember. Additionally, guy can be used to refer to a man who is considered cool, stylish, or impressive in some way. Overall, guy is a versatile word that is commonly used in everyday conversations as a synonym for person or man.